So it is our second part to finding the missing number, and in first part I already shared with some problems how the process to finding the missing number, and today's in these sessions we will learn how to calculate the rest of the problem which you have faced in competitive examination. So let's, without wasting time, we just start our problem. So here, at first we have to find out the missing number. It is a problem and missing number is here. Here is missing number. So our target is to identify this value with those value by any mathematical operation. So at first, in this case, we always starting from these two values and these two values. So first we add this 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 equal to 11. 7 plus 4 equal to 11, and 5 plus 6 equal to 11. 5 plus 6 equal to 11, and 11 minus 11 equal to 0. Same thing, we have to check it is also this process will also applicable for this figure or not. So what is it? 8 plus 4 equal to 12. 7 plus 6, 13. 13. So 13 minus 12 equal to 1. Correct. So this is the right process. So what will be the answer for this figure? 0 plus 2 equal to 2. 11 plus 2 equal to 13. So 13 minus 2, 13 minus 2 equal to 11. 11 will be the answer. 11 will be our answer. Clear? Our next problem. It is clear that the value is starting from 7 and it is continuing increasing by this way. So 7, 15. 7 into 2 plus 1 equal to 15. 15 plus 2 plus 15 into 2 plus 1 equal to 31. The second number is appeared by multiplying this value with 2 plus 1. 31. 31 this number. So if same process is applied here, 31 plus 2, 31 into 2 plus 1 equal to 63. This value. And similarly 63 into 2 plus 1 equal to 127. So the value for this equal to 127 into 2 plus 1 means 255. 255 will be the answer for this question. Clear? Okay, continue with another example. Problem number 3. What is the scenario? And we know at first our operation will be 16 plus 4 equal to 20, 9 plus 1 equal to 10, 20 minus 10 equal to 10. Okay, and is it applicable for second or not? So 64 plus 16 equal to 80, and 100 plus 25 equal to 125. 125 minus 80, we don't get this value. So for this case, our n is 16. 16 equal to 4 square. 9 equal to 3 square. 4 equal to 2 square. And 1 equal to 1 square. add the value. We just add the value. Means 4 square equal to 16, 3 square equal to 9, and 2 square equal to 4, 1 square equal to 1. So we just add those value, means 10. Clear? Similarly, 64 equal to 8, and 100, 10 equal to 100, 4, 5. So answer will be 5 plus 8 plus 10 plus 4. 27. Is it okay? Then now (16), 12, 8, 6. So the answer will be 16, 12, 8, 6. (42). Clear? Clear? Hope it is clear. And our another example, we are moving to our next example. For this problem, in this problem we always make a group. It is one problem, it is 2, and it's 3. Always make a group. So here 16 minus 12 equal to 4, and similarly 17 minus 13 equal to 4, and 18 minus 14 equal to 4. Means the inner value minus the outer value. And now add the value 12, and 12 is here. And the same operations will be applicable for this case. So inner value 23 minus outer 24 minus 20, 25 minus 25. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 15. So the value for this question marks equal to 15. So friends, those who have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe for your related videos. Now, I hope it is clear to you, and you can perform these operations at your exam hall. Now we are moving to our second problem. Second problem is like this. And in our first videos, I already share one of these types of example. So the solution is multiply the column value, total all value of this column, means 8 plus 8 plus 4 equal to 20. Similarly 20. So this column total value will be 20. 8 plus 9 equal to 17, so it will be 3. Okay, our another problem is like that. Okay, first, these types of problem we always try to check first how we get 72 by using the value 8 and 30 by using 5. So we know for this 5 square plus 5 equal to 30. For 72, 8 square plus 8 equal to 72. So it will be 9 square plus 9. So it will be 90. Clear? And with this last two example, we'll stop this missing number chapter. So I hope you can after watching this video you can easily find out the missing number. So what is the solutions for this problem? Here, three plus two equal to 5. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. 6 plus 5, no, impossible. 2 square plus 3 square, 4, 9. Squaring. By squaring, so I just squaring the value. 2 square means 2 square, squaring the value 2 square equal to 4. 5 square equal to 25, and 3 square 9. 1 square equal to 1, and just add the value 4 plus 5 square equal to 25, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9, 1 square equal to 1. The value will be 39. Is it right? And same for this. 3 square equal to 9, 2 square equal to 4, 1 square equal to 1, 1 square equal to 1. 15. So what will be the value for this? 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 4 square equal to 16, 6 square equal to 36. So 57 will be the answer for this question. And here, starting from the lowest value. So it is 14. So just from 30 minus 8 equal to 22. 22 minus 8, 14, and similarly 14 minus 8 equal to 6. 6 is the answer. So it is our total part of missing number, and I already shared the first part for of these videos, and it is our second part. So thank you for watching the video.